Hello everyone. Today's video is all about Facebook Business Manager Guide. I will explain all the options we have in Facebook Business Manager, and we will go through each option one by one, and I will explain them to you how you can get benefit from those options and what and how they will help you in the process of getting access from your clients and running ads on Facebook. And it will make your life really easy if you understand all the options you have in your business manager. So let's jump into our Facebook business manager and start going through all the options. As you know, how we can access business manager for Facebook is business.facebook.com/settings. When you open this link, it will give you the page where you can access, where you can select your business manager on which you want to work on. Okay, so we are in our business manager. And here you can see when you click on this bar, it will give you all the option where you can select you can jump into your different business manager or go to your Facebook profile. So we are in this business manager right now, and we have around 7 to 8 options, I guess 11 options here, which we can go through one by one. The first top level option, and which is most important here, is the users section, where you can select which people have access to your business manager and your all the assets which are in your business manager. You can add people or invite from here, from this button, and you can also remove them by clicking these three dots, and you can remove them from this button here. And you can also edit the assets which you have already assigned them. You can easily edit from here and change them the permissions from here. In the partners section, this section is really important, and I have already explained in my previous video that how this can help you working with your clients or giving or providing access or requesting access from your client. If you're a digital marketing agency, this is really useful for you to requesting access from your clients. It will make your life easy and your client's life easy. So you should watch my previous video about Facebook business manager sharing assets to your partner or requesting access from your client. The third option is about system user. This will help you when you're running ads on and or you're connecting your Facebook or Instagram with your Shopify store. It will help you give access to those kind of APIs in the system user section. In the account section, this section is all about your assets. The top level section is about your pages. So it will display you all your Facebook pages here, and you can select which page you want to give access to your clients or your digital marketing agency. You can see all your pages here easily, and you can remove or add access to all the people here. And you can also add all the pages. Once you create the page in your Facebook, you need to come here and add your page in your business manager, so it will start giving you all the options related to that page. So the second option is add accounts. So this section is all about Facebook ads. You can create your ad manager here. You can handle all the requests, permissions, and deleting the ad account, creating a new ad account. You can handle everything from here. This section will also give you access to your billing payments option here, and you can also go to your billing options from down. If you scroll down here, and here from this section you can also reach to your billing and payment section from this option here. So these two section relate to each other, and you can access from your ad account easily. So this section is important for those who are running ads on the Facebook and need to create a Facebook business manager to run professional level ads. So I'm not talking about the ads which you create on Meta. So the Meta ads and the people currently they just think that if you post something on Facebook and you click on a boost post, it will you can easily run ads on your Facebook, and you just click on boost post and you can put your budget, daily budget, and choose the location and run the ads. That's it. Those kind of ads are only for beginners, and it will only give you reach. What kind of reach? It will only give you the reach which is You will get some likes on your post, some comments on your post, but it will not give you any leads. It will not give you anything related to your business or revenue. It is just simple reaching to people on a beginner level. That's it. It will only send your post to many people. You can reach through that. But the proper way to create an ad and run an ad on a professional level to gain some awareness or capture leads which can turn into revenue in future, you have to create an ad account here and run all your ads through Facebook Ad Manager. Okay, the third option, it is all about grouping all your assets in one place. You can come here, you can create a group and put all your assets in one place. So what will happen in future if you have two, three different ad accounts and different Facebook pages in one business manager, and then every time you have to go through all the pages, select them one by one and giving access to different people. You can come here, create a group, and then you can put all the Facebook pages separately in each group. So whenever you want to give access to someone else, you just have to select that group and give the access to anyone directly. So it will save your time basically. In the apps section here, it will give you access all. So the thing is where what I was talking about in the user section, the system user, these both are connected. So in the app section here, you will give permission to your Shopify store. If you're running a Shopify store and you want to connect your Facebook Business Manager and Facebook ads to your Shopify store, you can easily come here and create an app and you can connect it with your Shopify store. It has uh, multiple benefits. It's not only connect with Shopify stores, there are many different apps which connects with Facebook Business Manager. In the Instagram account section, it is straightforward. You will have all your Instagram accounts here connected, and you can connect them with your Facebook page. You can connect them with your ad account. Once you create your ad account here, you can easily connect your Instagram account with your Facebook ad manager, and once you run the campaign on your Facebook ad manager, it will run the ad on both places. Then you don't have to create separate ads for Facebook and Instagram. You just need to run one ad campaign, and your ad will be displayed on both places, Instagram and Facebook, from one ad campaign in the phase. So now we have this WhatsApp account section where you can connect your WhatsApp, and when you run your WhatsApp messaging campaign, everything will be displayed here, and the access, the analytics, everything you can access from here, this section. So it is useful when you're running a WhatsApp campaign. It doesn't it is not compulsory. If you really want to connect your WhatsApp here, it's up to you. If you don't connect and you're not running a WhatsApp campaign, it's fine. You don't have to connect it here. So there are many options here which are useful, but it's up to you. If you want them, you can connect. If you don't want them, it doesn't matter. You just have to do three top level things: is Facebook page, Instagram page, and your ad account. These three things you have, you can easily run your Facebook campaign. So the third section, I guess we are on a third section here. Yes, the third section is all about data sources. So this is a top high level section which will you need to have a knowledge about Facebook APIs, the conversion APIs, Facebook Event Manager. So if I sum all this options here in one word, it's all about analytics, which is really useful with your ads. So let me explain this section a little bit. So this section is all about analytics. When you run your campaign, you need to know that what's happening, who is clicking where, and which button has been clicked on your website, how many times, and how many times people have filled your lead form, which page has been visited more. So those analytics will help you in future to decide that which page or which action has been done multiple times, so you can focus on optimizing your landing pages, your ads. So this section is really important for boosting or getting high performance ads. We will discuss this section in detail in our future videos, and I will explain everything: how you can create your pixels, how you can attach your pixels to your website, what is event manager, and how you can get analytics from your event manager, what is conversion API. So we will discuss this section in detail in our future videos. For now, this is all about analytics. Friends, safety and suitability. So this section is only about domain. So you have a domain like xyz.com, and you are running Facebook ads on that domain, on that landing page. If you have a landing page on that domain, you're running a Facebook campaign on that domain. So what you need to do, you just come here, add your domain, create a new domain, put your domain name here, and it will give you a short code like a meta code or a HTML code or JavaScript code, and you have to put in your website header section. Once you put it there, it will verify that you own that domain. So it is good for your domain credibility, and also for Facebook requires a lot of verification for these things. But if you don't do this, it's not compulsory. It's not like you, if you don't do this, your ads will not run. So it's up to you. If you do this, it's good. But in future, if you share your assets with some marketing agency, you have to share this domain also, so they can get analytics, the pixels permission to check all your past traffic and all your past customers, so they can create a retargeting campaign according to your pixels. So they need to have the domain access also if you verify your domain in your business manager. So the registration section is not really important. It's just you need to select a page which you like to register. You'll be able to manage your registration and add options info about your publication once you've selected. So it's not really important section. If you don't have to like go through this section. If you leave it, it will not affect any of your ads or any of your marketing process. The integration section will also, it's also about the apps, your Shopify apps, your lead connector. You can connect your leads account, your CRM, everything will be connected here. Once you connect your app in your Facebook business manager, it will, or everything will show up here. So it's all about integration. It will not give you any analytics or anything. It's just about integration. It will integrate with your CRMs or your e-commerce store. The billing and payment option, it's about your billing options. You need to go there. Once you open it, it will give you a place where you can add your billing details and how you want to do the billing cycle, everything. So it will ask you for payment methods and how it will charge you every month. So it will show you everything about your billing and your ad spent. So security section is all about, as it says, you have to set up all your two-step verification and who has access to your account and everything related to your account level security. Request. So basically this section is also like, if you have given access to anyone here from this section, it will also display here, and it will just give you a proper view that who you have sent the request and what request you have received from them. If you have any invites from anyone who wants to access to your assets, they can send you invite, and you can see all your invites in this section. So it's basically it summarize everything in one section. Notification is always obviously like you can turn on and off all the notification which you want in your email, and any Facebook or any important notification you want through email or through business manager browser notification. Business info section, this is only important for only business manager ID. This is the only place in whole Facebook business manager where you can find your business manager ID, and it is required when you are sharing assets with someone else. So you have to provide this business manager ID. And in this section, it is also like somehow it is also important because you can permanently delete your business manager from here, and you can see all the information in this section related to your business manager. You can put your business name, tax ID, everything in this section. So it is basically your business info. You can add or everything here. So today's video is all about the beginner's guide, and I guess I have gone through all the options here, and I hope this will help you to understand what is business manager and how you can take advantage from all the options which are in here. So it is really important to understand the business manager first, so you can go through and get advantage of all the options in future when we will be running ads. And thank you for watching today's video. I hope you have learned something, and I will see you in next video. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you will get our future videos notification. Thank you.